Michigan Deburring tools, modular deburring systems, are designed to satisfy many general hole deburring applications and are easily customized to meet specific production applications. Our value-wise replaceable component design reduces inventory, downtime, and your cost per hole. Michigan Deburring's standard deburring tools are designed to satisfy a wide variety of hole deburring applications. This all-purpose versatility makes them ideal for short, medium, and high-volume applications. For unique or dedicated high-volume applications, Michigan Deburring will custom design tools to best suit your specific requirements. Custom designs focus on performance, tool life, and reduce cycle times for optimal productivity. With Michigan Deburring tool, when ordering for high-volume applications, you won't pay more for a custom design over standard tooling. It's a value-added service we offer to ensure customers achieve optimal productivity and profitability in their deburring operations. All it takes is a few minutes of discussion, and the rest is up to us.